Your Ford Ranger key fob not working? Or maybe you got a new one and want to program it yourself? Let's get you sorted. Hey there, I'm Tom from Car Justify. Good to have you here. Programming a new remote on these trucks sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's totally doable at home. I've done it for buddies more times than I can count, and I'll show you exactly how so you don't have to pay the dealership a small fortune. First thing, check your owner's manual to confirm your Ranger supports this DIY method. Most older models, like early 2000s up to mid-2010s, do. The newer push-button start models usually need dealer tools or specialized programmers. So if you've got a newer one, sorry, this trick may not work. Alright, for the ones that do, grab all the remotes you want to program. This is important because you're going to wipe the memory and add them all at once. Don't say I didn't warn you. Even your working one will stop working if you don't reprogram it along with the new one. Now get in the truck and close all the doors. Buckle up because here's the part that sounds weird but actually works. Put the key in the ignition and turn it from the off position to run just before start, about 8 times in 10 seconds. Some models want 7, but 8 is the magic number for most. You'll know you did it right because the door locks will cycle, locking and unlocking. That's your Ranger saying, all right, I'm in programming mode. As soon as you see the lock cycle, press any button on the first remote. You'll hear the lock cycle again, confirmation that the truck accepted it. Then immediately do the same for your second remote. Each time you press a button on a new remote, you should get that lock cycle. This part trips people up because there's a time limit, so don't dawdle. When you're done adding all remotes, turn the ignition back to off. The locks should cycle once more to signal you're leaving programming mode. That's it. No fancy tools, just your key and your remotes. If you try it and the locks don't cycle at all, don't panic. Usually that's because you didn't turn it quickly enough or missed the count. I've messed it up before myself. Just start over and do the key turns a bit faster. Now, if your remote still won't work after that, double check the battery in the fob. That sounds obvious, but it's a classic gotcha. I had a friend last month cursing me out for giving him bad advice, and it turned out he had a dead battery in the new fob. Yep, that'll do it. Also, if you've got an aftermarket alarm or remote start system, sometimes those interfere. You might need to disable those first or use their separate programming steps. I don't want you pulling your hair out wondering why nothing's working. Let's do a quick recap. Sit in the truck with all doors closed. Key in, turn from off to run about 8 times fast till lock cycle. Press a button on each remote you want to program. Turn key off to finish. And make sure your batteries are good. Easy once you know how, right? Save yourself the dealership fee and do it in your driveway. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty more of these no-nonsense guides coming your way. See you next time.